Greetings. My name is Ganesh and I am the Chief Finance Officer of Aries Magnetics India Private Limited, Chennai, part of the Aries Group headquarters in US. We are the world authority in separation technology. With a wide presence in more than 10 countries, our business has grown immensely through continuous product innovation and worldwide expansion to 500,000 square feet of manufacturing space, housing around 1,000 employees. Aries India was established in the year 1999, and today we are the leading manufacturer of separation and material handling equipments. With decades of experience, we have gained expertise in the magnetic technology and take great pride in providing the best quality solutions and services to our clients. To align with a common ERP for all affiliates of the group and maintaining order-wise profitability, we felt the need to move over from our old systems. Previously, we relied on a local software for all our operational needs, and even some of our requirements were maintained on Excel. Since we lacked a centralized platform, we faced a major issue in system security and inability to track order-wise profitability. Also, the nature of our work made it time-consuming. We lacked a uniform platform for all our data. And we knew that it was time to start looking for a system which would incorporate all activities of the company into a single platform with robust controls. We knew what we wanted, and based on our requirements, we started evaluating a number of ERP solutions and vendors. Since we are a medium-sized company, we opted for Sage 300. It had a cost advantage over other vendors, apart from giving a common global platform for the group affiliates. Based on the previous relationship I had with Mindscape Solutions, I directly approached them. The project kickstarted in December 2014. The implementation was completed in April 2015. The implementation was done through Mindscape, partners of Sage Software Solutions. Throughout the implementation, Mindscape team was excellent and fulfilled most of our requirements. They were able to provide reasonable solutions and played a pivotal role in successful implementation. What made the solution and implementation a success were the continued, transparent and determined efforts taken from both our side and the vendors. There was a clear understanding of the strategic goals that we intend to achieve with the solution right from the beginning. Our top management was committed to the change and implementation of the new system. The project management, extensive education and training provided by Mindscape team is commendable. Talking about the benefits derived from the solutions, we now enjoy better data accuracy and security than in the past. We are able to track order-wise profitability through costing modules with faster and precise data retrieval. And last but not the least, the clarity of MIS data is helping us to make key business decisions at the click of a button. Sage 300 has also provided us reliable information for timely follow-up with customers. Even though there was some reluctance for the change during the initial period, it has now been fully accepted and all financial processes are now routed through Sage 300. Today we have around 20 users using Sage 300 day in and day out. To put it in short, Sage 300 has provided us a right platform to help Aries India rise up to the next level.
Hi, I am Muralidharan, Principal Consultant to Mindscape Solutions Private Limited, Implementation Partner for Sage. When Aries Magnetics approached us for a comprehensive solution to manage their operational needs, we went through the requirements and concluded that Sage 300 was a perfect fit for them. With the help of Sage 300, you can bring all your accounting, finance, sales, purchase, supplier management and inventory management on one platform with extensive and easy reporting. Plus, it is well suited for a mid-sized company. The implementation was smooth and done in time with the strong support from Mr. Ganesh, CFO of Aries and his team.